Here's where you can go to change whether the camera cutout is going to show or don't show with a black bar going across the status bar. This is the Galaxy A16 phone with Android 15. To change this setting, you'll use the quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle right there, and once you're here, you'll go down until you see the display section right there. Within the display section here, you'll see this, and you want to go all the way down until you see camera cutout, this option here. Now, as you enter here, you're going to see this here, a preview of how it looks. So basically, it's a black bar goes across, and you won't see this little teardrop design. This is the A16, so you're going to have the teardrop design. Now, as I always like to do is the calculator as an example. So right now, the show of the camera cutout for the calculator is going to have this here. You'll see this section here shown there. All right. Now, when I come back here and I hide it and I go back into the calculator itself, you'll see now there's a black bar at the top. And that's basically what this does when it hides it away. So your status information will be to the top, whereas the black bar is going to go across like this here. And you can change this at any given time, like it's up